Alex Ortega, Director of Business Development for Aero Exhaust, and today we're here at the 2019 SEMA show. So here we have our Aero Turbine unit. This is a conical structure unit featuring our patented airfoil technology. This is basically a chambered design that evacuates the exhaust pulses much more efficiently versus a perforated core or some of the other standard OE mufflers that you see out in the marketplace. Most importantly, it's designed to cancel out the sound waves both inside and outside the vehicle while producing increased horsepower and increased torque at all times. One of the best features about this muffler is that it's fully 304 grade stainless steel, so you're working with the best quality possible in terms of stainless for exhaust in today's standards. What I love about this unit is that it produces a very bassy tone, not obnoxious to the point where you can't hear your radio or carry on a conversation with the passenger. Very noticeable under deep throttle, and of course while you coast on the interstate you'll notice some interior resonance, but not too outrageous. We also make this unit in the extended version, which is the Aero Turbine XL. It has a built-in resonator, which helps control some of the interior resonance inside the cab. What I love about this unit is that it's still going to give you the performance gains without hindering anything. On the contrary, the only thing that you're going to reduce is the interior resonance. You're still going to see the increase in horsepower and torque, fuel economy as well. It could vary anywhere from half a mile to full mile per gallon gain. Again, 304 grade stainless steel all the way around, both inside and out. Another great thing about these units is that you can get them as small as 2.5 inch in pipe diameter all the way up to 5 inch. They'll work perfectly fine on both gas and diesel applications. So if you're pushing higher horsepower application, no problem, these units can definitely handle up to 600,000 plus horsepower. So what's exciting for 2019 is that we're finally getting into our direct fit options. This is a 2019 Dodge Ram Classic kit. It's a direct fit setup, full 304 grade stainless, mandrel bent tubing, stainless steel hangers. As you can see here, this features our Aero Turbine unit, the shorter version. What we like here is the fact that everything that you need is in the box. Hardware, clamps, hangers, and basically you don't need to weld or do any additional modifications to get the system on there. So we also have it available for the 2019 or newer models. Again, 304 grade stainless steel, lifetime warranty, which is important to us. We want to make sure that customers feel confident purchasing the product because they are buying a full premium product here with the 304 grade stainless. Again, everything's included in the box, no additional modifications, no additional products need to be purchased in order to do the install on your own out of your own garage. It'll take you maybe an hour or 2 hours max out of your weekend. We also have new kits coming out for 2020, which will encompass Chevy truck, Ford F-150, late model muscle car, and of course Sport Compact, which encompasses both European and Japanese applications. Another great series of products from Aero Exhaust is our line of resonators. We make the TR style resonators, and of course we make the AR style resonators. Various diameters, various pipe sizes, and of course we have something for as big as a heavy duty truck and as small as a Sport Compact application. Again, all 304 grade stainless steel, fully TIG welded, and you can get the AR unit with the polished finish, or you can get the raw 304 stainless look if you're looking for the non-polished finish. Very complementary to the rest of our line. Again, designed to eliminate interior resonance inside the cab at all times, and it won't hinder anything, so you're not going to lose or sacrifice any horsepower or torque. On the contrary, you're just going to reduce that interior drone that gets inside the cab, and they fit well on various applications since we make them in multiple sizes and diameters. Thank you for visiting us today, guys, at 2019 SEMA. Check out the website, aeroexhaust.com, for more information, and we hope to see you again in 2020.